Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Guys, just went through a complete rotisserie restoration. Beautifully done, guys. Really just a little show car. I mean, they say there is less than 500 miles on the car since it's been done. You look at the bottom of the car, you can put mirrors underneath it and show the car. I've driven this car a couple of times now. Very impressive. Normally, when people call on Camaros, I always tell them, they kind of drive like Camaros. You hit a bump, they kind of change the lane. The unibodies just don't seem to drive as well as the full-frame Chevys. This car is nice and tight. It drives like a brand new 68. It's finished in rally red, gorgeous paint. You can see it's got the steel cowl hood, front and rear spoilers, ZR rated rubber all the way around it. It's got a set of 17-inch American racing wheels, new chrome, new stainless. I mean, just a wicked cool Camaro, guys. Not a whole lot to nitpick. Just missed a bug there. You can see the grill's nice, new chrome and stainless. Paint is slick. I mean, I might have seen one little stone peck in it. Other than that, man, the paint's beautiful. Good, solid, straight body. Like I say, look at the floors, they're all glossy black. Glass is nice, all new interior. Again, that's a steel cowl hood. As you walk, you can see all the door rubbers and window fuzzies, all that stuff's new. Tennessee car, so good, solid, straight body. Oh, your stainless is nice. Again, your body lines are nice. I mean, look how nice this car is finished. All new seals, you can see that. That's where those cars are actually known to leak. A lot of people don't realize the reason they got that big old trunk mat in them from the factory, these taillight gaskets had a tendency to leak, so they put that, right from the factory, they put that big old trunk mat in them. Car sits good. They've got it lowered down just a little bit. Drives out real good, guys. Nice and tight. Wax. How pretty that car is, man. Beautiful color red on it, and it's red too. It's not orange. Nice set of aluminum, 17-inch aluminum American racing wheels. It's got disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. Nothing crazy driveline wise, guys. Just a, it says 350, just a stock 350 with some bolt-on stuff. Holley Performance dual feed, Edelbrock intake. It's got headers. You can see how nice that car is underneath the hood. Power steering. It does have power disc brakes. HEI Pro Billet distributor in it. Yeah, look how nice the firewall is and stuff. Aluminum radiator. They put these aluminum piece in there that kind of finishes the engine compartment. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. You can see the engine compartment's all powder coated. 350 trans. Really, turn the key, take the thing right to a car show. It's that kind of car. There's something on the windshield. Just a little smudge or something. This is a beautiful car. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, all this stuff is new. New door handles. I mean, they spent some money on this car. New door rubbers. Let's see, the door seams are nice and clean. All new interior. Bucket seats, console. The only thing that's not new, and I'm going to see if I can find one, is this. Let's see, original Camaro chrome there. But bucket seats, console, factory dash, factory radio delete car. See, a brand new headliner. Gauges are nice and clean, showing 36,000 miles. Again, they say less than 500 miles on the car since it was done. Blower motor works, nice dash pad. I mean, beautiful, beautiful car, man. I believe this one has Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock tempo with definitely a highway gear 323. And again, everywhere you look, this car is just slick. Again, they got the original mat. It's got everything's all spackle coated in here. I don't like pulling those things out because they have a tendency to rip the doggone brake lights out, tail lights out. That's a beautiful car. And again, I get that question a lot about red. This is a bright red. It's not an orange. Look how nice that thing is underneath. I mean, the floorboards are painted shiny black. Beautiful. Yeah, all new door rubbers. That looks like the little... Yeah, look how nice those door seams are. Really not much to pick, guys. It's turnkey. Go have some fun. Great car. Make sure you're keeping up with our website, guys. You know, I'm trying. I know the building's empty right now. These guys have gone on a stretch where they think they've sold like 14 cars in like 7 days or something. But console's nice. Seats are all repadded, refoamed. I've got a couple shows. In fact, we're headed to a show today. Next week we're at a show, so keep track of that website. Again, just, you know, no big cam, pump gas engine, turn the key, take you to a car show, man. Just a great car. Nice and tight, I'm telling you. I mean, this thing really drives down the road good. If you're a Camaro guy, you'll know what I'm saying. They have a tendency to be rattly, and this one does not, man. This one is nice and tight. It's just a nice car. Not much for gauges, just a fuel gauge, speedo, that stuff works. I know the blower motor works. It doesn't have a radio, but like I say, all the lights and everything on the inside. Push it forward, just, yeah, there you go. Backup lights do work, yep. Great sound. Great sound. I mean, just a good car, man. Yeah, there's no radio in it. All the lights in the dash worked. Lower motor works. New carpet, new sill plates. It's just new, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to see the new stuff.